The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage fad to advance. Notwithstanding, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange charges. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the gigantic capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, in this way expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money specialized examination, grasping the nitty-gritties. A profound entrance into the statistical data points of Bitcoin money has a through and through various story to uncover. Regardless of having huge future outcomes, additionally potential, and commitments of conveying forward at 8 MB block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, consequently, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a great deal of redoing to show greater spryness in rolling out extremist improvements to the venture's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000, and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are intricate instruments. In any case, from the very start of this current year, the Bitcoin cost has been making steady development. The improvement of developments and conventions has a ton to thank at this symbolic cost flood. A few specialized errors were mindful throughout the mining and a by and large presentation of new programming that went dead. This is supposed to be answerable for the descending winding from the BCH at first in 2017 until it dropped to these years. As per determined Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could drift least cost around $106 toward 2023. In the couple of the following months and, as per gauge Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally ultimately depend on $266.80 as most extreme cost in 1 year. As per the basic examination and cost figure, independent of its reception, the BCH coin will quite often confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost forecasts that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $188. Bitcoin money ABC, BCH ABC, got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevis siblings with NYDFS endorsement. Additionally, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prominence. Be that as it may, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant digital currency trade. Bitcoin money's cost today is exchanging around $125.66, with a flowing stock of 19,285,469 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,422,985,980. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as inferred by specialists. All the more critically, the task is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into obscurity. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past triumphs and validity, the other digital currency world, with the likenesses and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every several years. In the main portion of 2023, The Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $105 and $275 as the most extreme cost in the final part. Sooner rather than later, logical, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for acceleration, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation, yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will govern the crypto market, with an exhibition cost fixed around $300 and the long-term end. In the main portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $250 and $350 as the greatest cost in the last part. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectations. There will be a radical change in the Bitcoin money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be actually worth 10 to 100x more than its up until recently all-time high, in light of our BCH cost forecast. In the primary portion of 2025, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $352 and $440 as the greatest cost in the last part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $445 in 2025 continuously's end. Nonetheless, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on marvelous assumptions. 2. Markets stay as ideal as usual. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost figure, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $510. BCH estimate helps in money management with impeccable timing. In the principal half of 2026, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $480 and $540 as the greatest cost in the last part. Bitcoin money value forecast 2027. As indicated by Bitcoin cash cost expectation, defeating the pandemic will assist with doing a ton for the market feeling of Bitcoin money. BCH, ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. In the main portion of the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $520 and $590 as the greatest cost in the final part. Bitcoin money value forecast 2028. As indicated by the BCH cost expectations, the symbolic will have least, normal and greatest costs of around $585, $615, and $640.